In nature, nothing exists alone. Rachel Carson. Watch to the end. The most disturbing biological detail appears at the very end. In the ocean, parasites do not simply live on their hosts. Some of them take control. One of the most extreme examples is Cymothoa exigua, a small marine crustacean that enters a fish and permanently replaces one of its organs. This is not a metaphor. It becomes the tongue. The process begins when the juvenile parasite enters through the fish's gills. At this stage, it is small, mobile, and searching for a host. Once inside, it attaches itself near the base of the tongue using specialized hooked legs designed for firm anchoring. From this moment, everything changes. The parasite begins feeding on the blood supply of the tongue. Over time, the tissue loses circulation and gradually degenerates. The organ does not fall off instantly. It slowly withers as the parasite continues to extract nutrients. Then the critical stage occurs. The tongue disappears, and the parasite takes its place. The most fascinating adaptations are often the most unsettling. Evolutionary biology observation. Cymothoa exigua does not kill the fish. That would end its own survival. Instead, it stabilizes its position inside the mouth and begins functioning as a replacement organ. This is the key biological fact. It is the only known parasite that functionally replaces a host organ while keeping the host alive. The fish continues to feed, and the parasite becomes part of that process. Using its body as a structural substitute, Cymothoa exigua allows the fish to manipulate food inside its mouth. At the same time, the parasite consumes small amounts of blood and mucus, maintaining a continuous nutrient supply without destroying the host. This is not random behavior. It is a highly specialized evolutionary strategy. The parasite effectively balances damage and survival. Too much harm and the host dies. Too little and the parasite gains nothing. The result is a stable, long-term relationship, but one entirely controlled by the parasite. Inside the fish's mouth, the crustacean remains attached for life. Its segmented body presses against the oral cavity. Its legs maintain grip even as the fish moves, feeds, and interacts with its environment. From the outside, the fish appears normal. Inside, the organ is gone. Replaced. Another rarely discussed detail is that once established, the parasite rarely leaves. The host becomes both habitat and food source. Reproduction occurs externally, but the individual inside the mouth remains fixed, maintaining control indefinitely. This is not just parasitism. It is biological replacement. In the ocean, survival strategies do not need to be large, fast, or visible. Sometimes, the most extreme adaptations happen in the smallest spaces, hidden inside a living body, where control is complete and escape is impossible. If this changed your understanding of marine life, support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, and write in the comments which extreme parasite we should explore next. We document real biological extremes.